Hi fashion lovers and besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use one layer Aso Oke to tie two beautiful styles. Here you go, style 1 and style 2. You will tell me which one is your favorite at the end of this video. So style 1, I decided to be creating longer video because a lot of you guys are complaining my short video are too fast. You cannot understand. So I gave you guys option to watch the longer video so that you can understand. So if you watch the shorter video and you think that you are not satisfied, just come to my long video and click and watch. Now that's what I'll be doing, because a lot of comments, a lot of DMs, a lot of videos, a lot of comments, a lot of messages I've received on my DM on my Facebook page. So I decided to be creating longer video for my YouTube channel. So you guys are free to watch. Let me know where you guys are watching from. So about this first tie, if you have just one strand of Aso Oke, which is one layer, you are going to place it over your head. You are going to tie it at the back. You will divide the Aso Oke. Let's just say 60-40. So you are going to use the longer hand. You are going to pick your pleat just the way I'm picking it in this video. And the tutorial to pick pleat is on my page. If you want to know how to pick pleats, yes. So the second hand, you are just going to twist it and place it over the one that you pick pleat. Yes, you place it over it. Then you are going to take it to the back and you are going to take a pin, your safety pin, and use it to like connect it to the one at the back. Just use it to hold it down just the way I'm doing it in this video. After holding it down, you arrange your fan just like this. Can you guys see? This is just one layer Aso Oke. A lot of you guys will be saying, I have one layer Aso Oke. I don't know what I want to use it to tie. This is what you can use your just one layer Aso Oke to tie. It is very, very simple. Can you guys see this tie? What you just need for you to do is to practice after watching the video. You need to share the video and practice it. Or bring out your Aso Oke now and practice it. This is it. This is very, very simple. It is not complicated the way you guys are commenting on my videos. It is very fast. Oh, I don't know how you do it. This is how I do it. I did not edit this video. This is a raw footage of how I filmed the video. This is style 1 now. Let's go to style 2, guys, and tell me which one is your favorite. This is style 2. I'm going to use 2-strand Aso Oke for this style 2. Then you are going to bring the mouth closer together. You are not going to connect your Aso Oke. Like, you are not going to give it to a tailor to help you and connect it. So this is 2-strand, which is just 2-layer Aso Oke. Then you are going to tie it at the edge just like this, and you will place it over your head. I call this style turban head wrap, just using 2-layer Aso Oke. So when you place it over your head, you are going to be crossing it to the back just like this, just using it to cover your head. Continue to watch this video. This is a very self-explanatory video. Can you guys see? You are going to take it to the back, then you bring it down just like this. Then you are also going to take the second one. You also bring it up like this. You are going to be doing this, repeating this. See, you adjust your material. This is very, very simple. The reason why a lot of you guys are saying, I cannot understand it. I don't know how to tie gele. I cannot tie it. Oh, this is very hard. It is not hard. To tie gele is not hard. Especially all these simple style. These are all simple style that can know that you can tie to church. You have an outing that you want to go. It is not every occasion that you'll be calling gele artist to tie your gele for you. You can just tie it yourself. Yes, you can do all these small style yourself. Except you are going to a very big occasion that you need to call gele artist to tie your gele for you. But you are going somewhere, you are going to church, you don't need to go and call your neighbor. You don't need to call anybody to tie your gele for you. It is something that you can do yourself. Can you guys see the way I'm doing it in this video? I decided not to edit this video. I'm just posting it, like just edit it a little bit. I did not fast forward it, so that if you watch the shorter one, you do not understand. Just come to the longer video, sit down and watch it. You can also bring out your material and tie with me the way I'm tying it like this. Can you guys see the way I'm doing it? This is a turban Aso Oke head wrap. So when you exhaust your material, when your material just remain a little just little material, just like this. You bring it up. Can you guys see it? You bring it up. Yes, bring it up. You see this first hand, the strand, you bring it up just like this. You also bring the second one up like this. Yes, bring it up like this. It is not hard at all. When you bring it up, you connect it together just like this, the way I'm doing it here. You connect it together and use your hand to adjust it. After adjusting it, you use your safety pin to connect it together. Yes, this is a pin. Use it to connect it together just like this, the way I'm doing in this video. Connect it. After connecting it, this is what you will have. Then you are also going to take the up, you are going to shift it to the back, then you arrange it. After arranging your material, your head wrap, then you use your hand to arrange it the way you want. It is not hard. This head wrap is very, very simple. Then you also connect the remaining material up, you at the top, at the top of your gele. Then you also connect it with your safety pin again. Can you guys see? It is very, 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 very simple. You just need to practice. There's nobody that are saying that they are pro now, that they are tying gele, that they do not practice. We all practice it. Yes, we all practice it at the time. I am also taking like you that to tie gele is very hard. But the more you practice it, the more you know it. So you're just going to use your hand to arrange it. It is not hard. This one is not even complicated at all. You're just going to use your hand to arrange it. Arrange it very well to your preferred shape. Arrange it the way you want it. Arrange it the way you just want it to be. Can you guys see? So I flip it to the back again. I just use my hand to arrange it. It is very, very, very simple, guys. It is very simple. It is not complicated. What do you guys think about these two styles? Let me know in the comment. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Like this video now. Let me see your thank you in the comments, and let me know if you be trying this two beautiful style, and let me know which one is your favorite. Is it the first style that I use one layer to tie, or this second one that I use two strand of Aso Oke to tie? This is, just take a look at it. Take a look at it. This is so cute. This is cute for church. You are going out, you can just tie this. It is not complicating. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, share it to your friend so that you guys can try it later. Let me know if you be trying it in the comment. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Guys, love you all. Bye bye. Bye guys. Mwah.